Come see this well-maintained 4-bedroom and 2.5-bath home. Engineered hardwood flooring through the living areas, open floor plan, solid surface countertops, large master suite with sitting area. Private backyard. Located in beautiful Kensington Subdivision. Showings will be Monday, February 22, 2021 from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and Tuesday, February 23, 2021 from 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Home is tenant occupied. Closing must be May 14 or after. Any agreed upon repairs will be done after tenants vacate and prior to closing.